Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. We are doing our hair. So today's wig is gonna be from Nadula hair, and I haven't done like a talking video, just like mainly voiceovers, so I wanted to talk in this one. So in the box you get your wig, and then they always include a wig band and a wig cap, and then a carrying little bag. So that's normally what I store all my wigs in, are these bags. Super helpful. So here's the wig. Today I went with something shorter, something I don't have to cut myself, because y'all, when I get to cutting, I get to messing up stuff. So here is the lace. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig, so all the work is done for us. I love that. So here is the inside of the wig. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. So the wig also comes with a adjustable band, and then it also has a adjustable drawstring in the back, because the wig is like a one-size-fits-all. You should be able to get your perfect size with it. And it also has these little straps that I'm gonna go ahead and adjust. I'm just gonna take mine, both of mine, to the center. Like that. So I am going to try the wig on. My hair is a mess. I'm just gonna put my hair in a low ponytail for now. Like, don't look at my hair. Pretend that my hair doesn't exist right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try the wig on first to see how we like it. I am gonna adjust this band just a little bit. Okay. Okay, we have the wig on. This wig is also a Yaki texture. I wanted something shorter than 12, but this wig is 12 inches, so I'm just probably gonna curl it. But yeah, this looks really natural. Is my hair 12 inches? Because this is like the length of my hair for real. This wig is a 7x5. Y'all know I have a little head, so a lot of the times I have to like take my edges out, which I don't mind. I feel like it makes the wigs look more natural anyway. I am going to kind of just take random sections and straighten it.
Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around you. Started last night, we didn't stay it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess? I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared, bitch, me ain't either. I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind, so.
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like straightened, and this literally looks like my hair. It looks so good. Here's the lace. I think I might add just a smidget of makeup to it, but it literally is like just blending right in. It's just the areas where my hair is like sticking out that you can like see it, but other than that, it looks so good. And normally I'll go in with like hairspray or something, but I didn't do that. I didn't do that this time, and I think it looks good. So, cause like the pieces like that I would try to hide anyway is covered when the hair is down. It gives silk press. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna go in with this curling iron and do like some soft curls to the hair. Okay, so this is the final look. Really cutesy curls, nice and soft. I can't get over how much this looks like my hair. I love it so much. It looks so good. The density on this wig is perfect. Everything on this wig is perfect. And again, this is 12 inches. This is Yaki straight. So yeah, I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair info in the description box for you guys. I also have some coupon codes all this below. They have some Black Friday deals. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.